Made some decent progress last couple of days. Conquered a few milestones. Right, so that there's a plug, and on it I've got upstairs lighting, downstairs lighting. Yeah, so we've got them all wired up. I need to get a pendant for the spotlights, centre light. There we go. Getting there now. This side of the house is now going to get rewired, so it's just going to have a lighting circuit and a socket circuit. Made a little bit of a mess. What I've done is I've drilled through there, and then that comes out right where the board's going to be. Gone up the first socket up there, drop down, first socket, drop down to the light switch. Socket there, up to the light switch, and then I've just got one dropping down. I've got the bit marked to 35mm. Right, what a mess. Now, where have I put that box? There it is, on the Hoover, obviously. Right. Let's get the persuader. That was easy. The only problem with this, it's so brittle. It's hard to get a good fix in it. What I'll do is I'll put loads of grab adhesive on the back, glue them in, and then I'll fix them in as well with some screws. And then should be good to go. Right, I'm just going to give you a little 2-minute update. The bedroom upstairs, it's all wired basically, except I need to run the lighting cables to each light. Because there's no loft hatch up there, I need to cut a hatch out the ceiling, climb up, throw the cables in, and then down here, socket, all done, chased, filled, socket from top. I'm just in the middle of chasing this box out. And I've got 2 sockets over there, one down at the bottom. Got a few spare going there, but that's just going in some trunking so I can move it later on. And all the cables are in, same thing. Trunking, mattress boxes on, faceplates on, lights up, then we're done. Yeah, getting there now. I'm just gonna crack on. This is gonna be the first venture into the loft. You know what? Looks well insulated up here. Which is not what I was expecting. I was expecting it to be empty, to be honest. I couldn't have picked a worse place to put a hole. Literally, supports and everything. Okay, so this is where I've cut the hole. And obviously, can't climb up that, so I'm going to take this out. Do what I need to do. So first thing I need to do is I'm going to put holes where I need them to go, and then I'll climb up and do this. Right, that was a pain in the ass. So what we've got 1, 2, 3 drops. We've got 3 cables coming down to the switch. So that'll do me tonight. See you later. Okay, right, I'm gonna give you a little run round now. Tomorrow we've got the electrician coming to fit a new board. Connect it all up, test it. For the minute, I've had everything on plugs. Put them on plugs so I can check that it all works properly. Make sure there's no problems with it. Because the last thing we want is for this guy to turn up, to connect everything up, and then he starts finding problems. So, lights are all good. All the sockets will be absolutely fine, I'm sure. Right, I'm just gonna spin the camera around and then I'll show you where we're up to. Right, start in the hallway. the other day, I took out, this had a little cupboard around it, so I took that out. When the Spark takes all these out, he's got all that area then to fit a new board. And then afterwards, I'm just gonna MDF it all, get all the cables behind the MDF, and I'll build a nice little cupboard. Here, just got one light and then a couple of sockets, just in trunking. In here, we've got all the kitchen worktops, plinths, big worktop there. So this is gonna be media wall going all the way across. So I've put 2 downlights there, left loads of cable on them. When I get round to building it, I can just kind of extend it where I need to. Kitchen, got all spotlights on, all these sockets are on. I just need a cover for this. We've got a few outside lights. We've got a couple of lights in here. Same thing again. What I've done, they're on one switch, but there's a cable ran to each light. So that means that I can change that light eventually into a light switch and then put the new light in the downstairs bathroom. Right, turn these off, switches upside down, turn these off. Right, turn this off. It's nice having lights. Turn that off, there we go. Right, upstairs. Okay, right, upstairs, let's go in the extension. So, we've got 1, 2, 3 lights in the middle of bonding that. I'll just put this little box in here just to keep the switch nice and clean. 3 lights. All 3 lights have got their own cable going to the switch, so that means that I can switch them individually if I want to, or have that light in the bedroom. This light will then drop down and become a light switch because there's going to be a wall going across here for a dressing room, and that light will eventually drop down, become a light switch because there's going to be a not a utility, ensuite bathroom there. 1, 2, bathroom. So we've got that light, and then I've got a kinetic switch which I haven't connected right now. That extractor fan's going. That one's staying for now, but I've got new ones to replace them. A shower isolator there, I've got a fan isolator. I've just got the shower cable coming down, coiled up. Back room switch, that's on. And then in here, that is, oh, you can't see, but there's a box up there with the kinetic receiver in. And we've got this bedroom, which is nearly done to be fair. This just needs some wardrobes building, media wall. I was supposed to fix that to the wall. Doesn't matter, I'll do it again. Little front bedroom. Yep. Then we've got the loft, that's got lights. Right, I'm going home. I'll catch back up with you after the electrician's gone. I'll do a little walk around, show you the new board, and fingers crossed, no problems. All right, see you in a bit.